Divyesh has also joined, but I was thinking, let me just finish off with the concluding talk after your talk, because then there will be a continuity, and then we can finish off with Divyesh's rest of the slides. Okay, so here are some quick references for the websites. First of all, you can go visit cfd.fossee.in. I'll just show you the website, and this is a repository of all our work, and this is the place where you can contribute your work and become a member of this whole endeavor. Spoken-tutorial.org is a repository for all the spoken tutorials, not only for CFD OpenFOAM, but Scilab, OSDEC, DWSIM, Python, R, everything. All the spoken tutorials are there. You can learn from them. The OpenFOAM Foundation and the CFD Online are the forums. They are very active forum. You can CFD Online is a very active forum. After this workshop, when you go and use OpenFOAM, you have learned OpenFOAM, you have learned how to use OpenFOAM. Now you can talk to the rest of the team members who are there in the community of OpenFOAM, who are learning, who are using, and you can get tips from them as well. So these are very useful websites. Now let me talk about how you can participate in the project, in the OpenFOAM project. So first of all, you can work with us and contribute in our case study project. So what are cases? Cases are small, problems that you can take up. You can solve them using OpenFOAM, and you can contribute in the repository that we have. I'll show you in our website just after this slide. And you can also contribute in the research migration project. What is research migration project is, just like cases are small problems, you can take up research topics that are published in renowned journals using some other commercial software. So you can take up those problems and replicate them using OpenFOAM. So you can this research migration project is mainly focused for the people who are doing research, who are doing higher studies, and who are actually faculty members as well. Lab migration project is where we help you to migrate your lab problems. Suppose your lab in your institute or your corporate, they are using commercial software to solve the the problems in lab. So there our team is there to help, who will help you to migrate your lab from commercial software to OpenFOAM. Yes, internships. So our summer, the semester-long internship recruitment is going on. I'll show you the website and how you can, apply and register yourself for the semester-long internship. It's a very good time that we are having this workshop now, because you are exposed to OpenFOAM, and you are looking forward to take up some projects and work with us. So this semester-long project internship will give you this opportunity. And yes, we also do summer internships every summer. We do summer internships, FOSSEE Summer Fellowship. Certificates, yes, we award certificates to all our interns who work with us. Letter of appreciation we give to the students who help us as novice. We are always in a procedure to develop new spoken tutorials, new teaching materials. So we need students who are not aware of OpenFOAM or who have not used OpenFOAM earlier. So those students can work with us as novice, and after their contribution, we award them a letter of appreciation on the IIT Bombay letterhead that they can use further. Yes, and the one more important point is you will get a mention in our URL in our website, in the cfd.fossee.in website. Whenever you are contributing in the case study project, in the research migration project, your name will be there. I'll show you our website. And yes, jobs, those who want to apply for a full-time job in our project, it's open. We are actually looking forward to some good experts in OpenFOAM who can join our team. Yes, and this slide is for the faculty members. The faculty members also can participate and work with us as coaching partners, executive partners, senior executive partners. So we have a specific role for each one of them. So today morning you met Professor Naren. On 11th you met Professor Hari Krishnan. They're all our coaching partners. We actually work with them to develop the students during the summer internship and other case study projects and all. Okay, and yes, activities means yes. So the faculty members are involved in activities such as guidance and contribution to our workshops, just like you saw in this workshop. And there is a something called FOSSI Club. I'll actually I'll be happy to provide you the details of all this once you write back to us. So I'll come to that later on. So just as Professor Kannan mentioned, we have all these software. We conduct regular workshops. They are actually ongoing programs. We also conduct hackathons on many of these software. So very recently, we had conducted hackathon on eSIM. One hackathon will be, it is the registration is going on for this 2D animation hackathon on 2D animation. So let me just give you a brief of all these software. The Scilab is actually it has a wide usage in for the mechanical engineering and electrical engineering students. It is used for modeling, simulation, and scientific post processing. So many of you are aware of MATLAB. So it is just the open source alternative for MATLAB, Scilab. Python actually it has a huge demand in corporate as well as academics. It is useful for the mechanical and CSE computer science engineering students, and mainly for the CSE and mechanical. But the knowledge of Python is actually used in all the streams. Now, eSIM is developed by the team members of FOSSI in IIT Bombay. It is very useful for the electrical engineering students. And this eSIM actually is very convenient convenient and affordable for educational institutes and small to medium scale industries. Coming to OSDAG is mainly used for steel industry for detailing and designing in the steel industry. DWSIM, as Kannan sir mentioned, that is, it's very useful for the chemical engineering students. It's a chemical process simulator and has a very user-friendly GUI that makes it very convenient for use. Open Modelica is actually a modeling language. Modelica is a modeling language and a simulation environment intended for industrial as well as academic usage. It is actually used in the fields of power plant optimization and water treatment. It's also used for many other processes as well. Okay, R is a data analysis and a statistical computing tool. It is very useful for the computational science. And because data is everywhere, R can be used by any field of engineering and not only engineering, in all fields of science and arts and commerce as well. Okay, QGIS. So QGIS is Geographical Information System software. It has a high utility in sectors like mining and transportation, environment, and healthcare as well. So in this focal thing, we are actually developing the graphic designing and 2D animation. Okay, so you can develop your skills in graphic designing and animation, because I think animation is not only for animators. We all can learn animation and we can apply animation in our own domain, because it's a kind of life skill that you can develop. Okay, and then we have this FLOSS Arduino. Arduino is actually a hardware platform for electronic prototyping. It's very popular in academia and industry, and it is actually used by all branches of engineering. So you can go ahead and learn Arduino. It will be very useful for you. OpenPLC is a multi hardware programmable logic controller, PLC. It is used for automation and electromechanical processes, and it is very useful for electrical engineering, EXTC, CSE, as well as polytechnic students. And here goes our contact details. I have typed in the chat box many times, contact-cfd@fossi.in. This is our email. So you can type in any query, any problem for the CFD or the OpenFOAM specific problems. Info@FOSSI if you have queries for any other FOSS apart from OpenFOAM, you can write to us. This is our website, cfd.fossi.in, and fossi.in is our main website. Okay, I'm showing you this our websites. So this is a CFD website, our website, and here you can see that the case study project, you can have a complete case study projects list. This is the list for completed case studies. Let me click on this and let me show you. So all these problems were not solved by our team. I mean, our IIT Bombay team of FOSSI and OpenFOAM project. These are actually done by the students whom we train. So the philosophy of the FOSSI project is we train people and then they contribute to the project. So it is always a learning process. So you can see we have 130 plus case studies, and it's open for all. So anybody, you can browse through all the topics. If you can find any topic which is relevant to your study area, you can just click on it. They are downloadable links. You can download the abstract, you can download the case study files. Okay. And you can see that they are not only IIT Bombay students, there are students from many other institutes all over India. You can see University of Mumbai, Anna University, Visveswara Technological University, IIT Guwahati, many more other institutes other than IIT Bombay. You can see more IIT Bombay because our students actually does a course under Professor Janani and they also contribute. So you can see, I'm just scrolling down. You can see all the other institutes' name as well. So this is the case study project. You are all welcome to work with us to contribute in case study project. And yes, you'll see your name will be mentioned over here. So it is like a lifetime asset for you all. So whenever you are going for a job interview or your interview for your promotion, you can just refer to this link and show them, sir, I have done this job and this is in the list. Okay. So similarly, we have this research migration project. You can also get the complete research migration list. Yes, so Mahargya Duti Das, he did the summer fellowship this year. So his name, you can see he was present yesterday in the meeting. Mena is also present. Mena's name is also here. She also contributed in the project of research migration during the summer internship. So you have a wide scope actually. We also have a lab migration project. And now I'll show you how to download the spoken tutorials and how to use them. So if you click on the resources tab, you can see this point number 1, start learning OpenFOAM using spoken tutorials on OpenFOAM. You just click it and all the spoken tutorials are in front of you. You can use them and learn OpenFOAM. Okay, and these are the instruction sheets which will provide you support, installation sheet and brochures, everything is available in this website. Okay. So yes, for the faculty members, what I was sharing is here is a list of coaching partners. So all these faculty members, they work with us. You can see a list here. So once you write to us, I'll tell you the details about this. So it's like a partnership with us. So we welcome the students to participate. We welcome the faculty members to participate. And just Kannan sir showed you this testimonial page. Please go ahead and view all these testimonials. Okay, now let me show you the FOSSI website and how can you apply for the semester-long internship. So FOSSI.in is the website, our main website. Okay, here you can see ads of semester-long internship. So just click on it. Here is the registration process. You can expand this and fill in the form for registration. And here are all the screening task lists. So the only criteria is if you can solve the screening task, you are through. You are welcome to work with us then. So you can see the last date of registration is 20th January and you have to submit the screening task by 23rd January. So you have time now. So please take your time and you're welcome to work with us. So that's all from my side. Professor Janani is here. So I would like to thank everybody for joining. Yeah, Janani ma'am, you want to talk for some time to them?
Yes, I'm sitting in a lab. I have a class to offer and I'm just stepping out for this. But I hope all of you have been able to learn a lot about OpenFOAM, learn a lot from the different invited lectures that we had. And what we now want you to do is start wanting to use OpenFOAM more, engage with us more, so that you gain a lot of knowledge from OpenFOAM. Okay. So use this initial 3 days as a stepping stone towards, improving your research, improving your teaching, and improving your understanding of CFD. So I think a lot of people, Professor Kannan had said a lot of important things. So I would not take any more of your time. But I really hope you guys enjoyed these 3 days. And Payal, you finished the feedback session?
Feedback form has been emailed to them, and
Okay.
we'll be happy if anybody wants to talk to us. How did you like this workshop? And any feedback for us that we can take for improving ourselves.
Yes, I think that's a very important point. So please fill in the feedback form. And if you have something to share with us here right now, please do something important that you think. And this doesn't have to be a praise or anything. If it's
Yes,
brickbats, if you have negative feedback, please do give us, because that is more important. We get to improve, right? So please do let us know what you have to say. So over to you, Payal. Thank you. Thanks for
yes,
being here for 3 days.
yes. Thank you, ma'am. And thank you all. Thank you, Siddhivinayak, for the appreciation. Yes. So please work with us. We will be happy to have you as an intern. You can do case study
Hello,
projects with us.
hello,
You
ma'am.
can
I have
join us.
one feedback.
Yes, yes, Manish Kumar. Yes,
Yes.
please go ahead.
Yeah, it was a wonderful workshop. I have one feedback that during this practice session, can you create some another window for the participants who are asking the doubt? Because whenever we are doing the practice sessions, a lot of background noise is coming out. So because of that, it's not easy to maintain that 15-minute window to complete the session.
Okay, thank you, Manish. We will take that into account. We will see how best to kind of reduce the background interference at max as possible. Thank you. Thanks.
Okay,
Okay.
thank
Any
you, ma'am.
more feedback? Yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot, Manish. It will help us to improve our on hands-on sessions.
Yeah, just a small question, like not a feedback, but a question. So, if we have doubts later about the internship or the research projects which you told, or even the open form, like how to use the open form, so how should we approach you? Like, is there a mail?
Yes, yes. I'm just typing it in the chat box. Contact -cfd@fossey.in. So for any doubts, you can connect to us always through this email ID.
Have you sent it? Because I haven't got it.
In the chat box? Okay, okay. It went as a direct message actually. Yeah, here it goes. Contact-cfd@fossey.in.
Okay, so this is the whole mail, right? It's not like contact this mail.
This is a mail ID.
Okay, fine, fine.
Yeah. So if you have any specific questions for suppose Binayak or Krishnakant or Abhushan, you can just mention their name and they'll reply.
Okay, fine. Thanks.
Okay. So should we end the session now?
Yes, I think so.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you all for joining. It was a wonderful journey of 3 days. Thank you all once again.